Wetin Peter Obi talk? Wetin him do? You want contest, make him leave am for you? Make una hear wetin Wike send go give am. How about Wike? It's not fair.
As he dey bend them,
See some way
he
you
go
dey
dey
start.
sweet us. As he dey sweet us, he go dey bend them.
So it's all of us as politicians. Yes, we must criticize. Yes, there's no doubt about that. But in criticizing too does not mean that you don't see. It's not about I wear only one shoe telling people lies. It's a lie. It's not about, oh, I carry my bag. No. Nobody that loves this country will criticize that international conference center.
Since their mama born them, they never sabi.
Somebody said it's a misplaced priority. You that cannot win an election is telling us misplaced priority. If you have priority, I just would have voted for you now. It's not about social media. You say you will run an election. Wait. 2027 is here. Then don't need to kill ourselves. When John will mature, we will know.
Mama, we don't follow Tinubu go. Papa, we
If
don't
you no
follow
get job.
Tinubu go. If you see my mama, tell them we don't follow Tinubu go.
That is what this word is. You do for me, I do for you.
Nobody-
You vote for me.
Yendeba, 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 yendeba.
So, Abuja people, traders who are here, you know, you people too, sometimes the way you behave, I don't understand. You allow people to come and deceive you and tell you lies. And you are giving attention to those who you don't know whether their name will be in the ballot or not.
Try.
Until now, they've not settled about themselves. The which of the coalition, is it the left or the right? Coalition that was born and died the same day.
Wike, your mouth no good. Your mouth no good.